In this video, I'll show you how to insert paper inside of your Canon Pixma TR3720. Very easy. Just take your stack of paper, you can have multiple, align them, and then the paper tray is right on the back. Okay, so you're gonna lift this lid, let it rest on its back, and then if you come and check closely here, you're gonna see a blue tab. This tab is made to be adjusted, so you're gonna pinch it like this and you're gonna put it all the way on the left side. Okay, if you look at the printer from the front, push it all the way to the left. Then again, take your stack of paper and you're gonna glide it gently. Okay, and then you can also push it. You're gonna glide it gently until you feel a resistance there. Then you can simply let it sit on the back. Okay, so you see it went right through this blue guide. If you're printing on photo paper, maybe 4x6, something smaller, you'll need to adjust this blue guide, so this could maintain the paper in place. Okay, but on regular US letter size like I have here, this is all you have to do. Now another important detail is before printing on the front of the printer, you need to extend this tray that extends even more. If you don't do that, the paper will come out of the printer and then will maybe go on the ground if there's nothing in front, or just get mixed up on your desk, and you probably don't want that. So it's really nice that you can put it back so it does not take much space. But overall, this is it. This is how you insert paper in your Canon Pixma TR3720. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get some paper from Amazon or some ink for this exact printer, and I'll see you in the next video.